Nope, already done. Hi, Rachel. Welcome to Skydive DeLand. How are you today?
I'm spectacular. Thanks for asking.
Why are you so good? You seem a little bit nervous.
Not actually. I love jumping out of airplanes.
Is that what we're here to do?
Yes.
That sounds pretty crazy. Is this your first time?
It is my second.
So you know that it's very addicting.
Yes.
And this is Mom over here.
Mom.
Is this your first time?
This is my first time.
Are you excited?
Of course.
You guys ready to share this awesome thing together?
Absolutely.
Any last words for the camera?
No.
Bye, bro. I'll see you in the plane. Let's go have some fun. Welcome back to Earth.
Thank you.
You made it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Was it better than the first time?
No, it was not.
Congratulations. Thanks for coming to Skydive DeLand. Thanks, Manny.
Thank you.